welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Jowar millet fritters or Vellai Sollam Vadai. Very healthy snack recipe. You can easily make your kids go with some millets. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add half cup of jowar and half cup of chana dal. Add sufficient amount of water and wash the millet well. Now drain off the water and again add sufficient amount of water. Close it with a lid and let this soak for 4 hours. After 4 hours, drain off the water and transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add 5 dried red chillies, a piece of ginger and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Grind this to a coarse paste. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. To this add 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, few coriander leaves chopped and half teaspoon of salt. Give all the ingredients a very nice mix. Now it's all nicely mixed. Grease your hands with hand and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then give it a slight press like this. Shape the edges and keep it ready. Likewise, make all the jowar vadas. Now heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the fritters one by one. Make sure not to overcrowd. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side. Let this again fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. Now our delicious and healthy jowar millet fritters or Vellai Sollam Vadai is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and a healthy recipe. So do try this jowar millet vada recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.